This is the Photoshop interface. Horizontal type mask tool. Horizontal type mask tool means we can take a text tool from the masking area also. Suppose horizontal type mask tool to open the image. This is a horizontal type mask tool. See, this is a horizontal type tool. Type tool means we can write the text from the top of the image. Okay, good. But what is horizontal type mask tool? It is a masking area. See, automatically if you click it here, what happened here? It's happened masking. What is masking? What is masking? Masking is nothing but to showing the necessary part, to unshowing the, to hiding the unnecessary part of the area. That is called masking. Okay, here I just go with Manos. Some text is there. Select the text and some bold text. You can take a bold text, some impact. I just taken some impact text and increase the font size 65 or 150. Select the text. See, the text is visible on the image. It is visible. The text is visible on the image. Take a move tool. Automatically, the masking part will be selected and take the image and select the image layer. Now you can take from this like this. This is called masking area. మాస్కింగ్ ఏరియా అంటే ఏం లేదండి, మనకి ఎంతవరకు కావాలో ఆ పార్ట్ వరకు ఉంచుకుంటాము, మిగతా పార్ట్ వరకు హైడ్ చేసుకుంటాము. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి మనకి టెక్స్ట్ ఏరియా ఎంతవరకు వచ్చింది? దిస్ ఈస్ ద, ఇఫ్ యూ క్లిక్ ద మాస్క్ ఏరియా అంటే ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి మాస్క్ ఏరియా మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తున్నాను. లేదు అంటే వీ కెన్ టేక్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్. Krish, I just taken the text and some bold font will be there. Keep it a bold font to impact the text, impact on the image. I'm just giving 350. కనిపిస్తుందండి? ఇలా తీసుకొని just take a move tool. ఎప్పుడు మీరు move tool తీసుకుంటారో you can apply this all the properties for the text. These all the properties for the text and take a move tool for the selection and take a move tool from one background to another background, or otherwise you can copy, control C copy and come to here, control V paste. Text tool is very important, friends. Don't miss the session. Okay, don't miss the practicals also. And like this we can work with the masking area. This is called masking part. This is the paragraph text and this is the masking part. Okay, we can transform the text area. The text is very clear, ma'am. See, it's here, it's very visible from the clients. Like this we have to keep the text. And this is the horizontal type mask tool as well as vertical type of mask tool. Like this it will come. Krish. And same thing, increase the font size. You can take your different type of fonts, not only that font, but I'm just taking a impact of a hard font. Why means it should be come as a image. The image should be impact on that font like this. Yes, like this.